Hi guys, Brendan here from Advanced Radio, and we're going to take you through what channel boost is on the new SF10 Pro. Channel boost is really simple feature, but it's a very powerful feature in the Flite 10. What it does is it allows you to boost the gain for each individual servo. Now this is an advanced feature and it can be used for things like assisting with hovering a jet, if you want to boost the gyro output for your thrust vectoring servos, or if you want a little bit of extra gain on certain surfaces, like maybe you want just a little bit more gain on your elevator and your rudder when you've got your landing gear down, when you're coming into landing. So the way it works is really simple. We've already done the setup with our Flite 10, so we've got controls moving, we've got gyro applied to the system, and we have double checked everything is working correctly. Now we're going to go into our boost mode. Couple of really quick things. I'll take you through what everything means on this screen, and then I'll show you what the actual effect is with Flite channel boost. So to get here, you go into your main menu screen, go into your Flite, go into your channel boost, yes, and we've got our channels 1 to 10 here. These have been color coded, like when we did our setup. We had our blue LED, our red LED, and our green LED. Blue being elevator, green being aileron, and red being rudder. The next thing you'll notice is we have a lot of numbers at the top here. This is the percent of boost applied to that particular channel. So each one is set at 100%, which is default. You could think of that as times by 1, let's say. So there's no boost on any channels. I'm going to pick rudder because it's probably the easiest to see when I'm doing the demonstration on the video. And I've got my rudder into 1, 2, 3, and number 4. So all I'm going to do is I've got my rudder here. I've got gyro applied to my rudder. In fact, I've got it on high gain mode, and I'm just going to slide this up. And as you'll see, as I slide it up, it goes 100, 200, up to 300%. So now, if I move my rudder, you'll notice that the reaction is a lot higher. Okay. I've also got this on heading hold mode at the moment from previous video. I've also got this on heading hold mode, so you'll notice that the gyro boost is a lot higher. Okay, so this is 3 times the output for that particular servo. I can demonstrate this on the difference between these 2 elevator servos as well. So this elevator servo is channel 3, so I'll move it all the way up to 300%. Oh, if I can get it to 300%. All right, still got elevator control. Everything is working really well. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up the board, and if I move the elevator now, you'll see that the left servo that's got the boost on it, the gyro is reacting a lot more. On this one, where we've got no boost, it's reacting a relatively normal amount. Okay, so that's what channel boost does. It just allows you to boost the output of a particular servo. So whether that's your thrust vectoring servo, or you want to boost it on, as I said before, your rudder, maybe when you're coming into land, you just feel like you need a little bit more, or even on your steering, give you steering a little bit of boost when you're on the ground, so that when you are taking off, your steering is keeping you centered down the runway. It has a huge amount of versatility built into it, but it is an advanced feature. Now, if you don't see this on your Flite 10, it's because your professional mode has been switched off. If you switch your professional mode on, you should see all of those buttons. Okay, the reason we did that is because it is an advanced feature. That's not saying that we don't want you to use it, but it is an advanced feature. I'll go back into my Flite mode. I'll go back into my channel boost. Now, I want to show you one critical part of channel boost. It is flight mode or gain mode dependent. So I'm on flight mode 2. You can probably see at the top of the screen there. If I flick my switch to off, you'll notice it says boost off. If I flick my switch to flight mode 1, everything is back to 100%. So if you want to, you can have a different boost level for each flight mode. That means that for my flight mode 1, which might be my normal flight mode, I can have, let's say, a small amount of boost here for this one, and a small amount of boost for this one, and a small amount of boost for this one. And then when I flick to my flight mode 2, I have a huge amount of boost on these two, but nothing on that one. So it is flight mode dependent. Just remember that when you are setting it up, you do have the option of flight mode 2 or flight mode 1 for your gyro boost. That's what gyro boost does in the new Smooth Flight 10 Pro, and that's how you set it up. It's that simple, guys. Just remember, this is based on a servo output. So you've got your servos 1 to 10 there, you've got your servos 1 to 10 here. As the slider moves up, it boosts more gain to that particular servo, and your boost is flight mode dependent. So if I flick off, flick to FM1 or flight mode 1, you can see I've got different boost levels, or the option for different boost levels. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching that video. If you liked what you saw and want more information, you can head over to our website, boomerrc.com, or for the US site, us.boomerrc.com. If you want more videos, you can check out our Facebook page, Advanced Radio, or you can head over to our YouTube channel, Rick Gel Boomer RC. Thanks, guys, and stay tuned for more videos.